In 1946, Operation Crossroads had an atomic test yield equivalent to 210,000 TNT. A lot of scientific studies were also made in this operation. One of the most noted was the study of tsunami impact caused by atomic explosion. By calculation, the blast wave was to hit the beach 15 seconds after detonation, and the beach was about 5 kilometers from the blast center. Development of this first man-made massive tsunami in history was recorded through various scientific instruments and equipment. The first tsunami wave was silently moving toward the beach undersurface. After about 3 minutes, the tsunami caused by this atomic explosion began to impact the sea area. After 5 minutes, this wave had reached 2 meters high. Followed by numerous small tsunamis rolling on their ways to the beach. Now, let's look from a bird's eye view. It's much more clear from the air that the waves were heading towards this small island. This was the first color film recording tsunamis. Let's go back to the beach. The atomic explosion effects reached the peak. 7 minutes, the water began to slow down. The data obtained from this experiment showed the travel rate and impact time of tsunamis, which helped us to know them better. The government also had a report detailing all the data and development of tsunamis.